Hey everyone, my name is Suhas Tantri and I hold a bachelor's degree in mechanical engineering. So during my final sem, I was going through what are the upcoming fields and I came to know about data science field. So that's when I decided that I'll build a career in data science because data science got me really excited. When I was going through the courses for data science, that's when I came across AlmaBetter and I joined AlmaBetter. I secured an offer from Kantar as a business analyst within 32 weeks of my program commencement. Risk-free approach, as in the pay after placement model. I come from a middle class background and I didn't want to burden my parents. I would say that was the main reason. On top of that, they guaranteed a placement of 6 LPA or above. And also the AlmaBetter's curriculum offers unique elements like capstone projects and fun quizzes and assignments as well. The placement drive provides robust training to students so that they can ensure that they land a decent job. My favorite part was the mock interviews that boosted my confidence and the resume building sessions as well, which helped me design a crisp and job-winning resume. And they also helped in improving our communication skills as well, which was a key part. Learning experience at AlmaBetter was incredible. I got a chance to meet a lot of awesome people. The curriculum as well is very well designed and it is up to the industry standards. And the faculty who teach in AlmaBetter are all experienced professionals from the data science industry as well. On top of that, the capstone projects really helped me apply my knowledge while attending the classes to solve real-world use cases. Do not overthink too much and join AlmaBetter, as it is the perfect place to gain knowledge about data science. And another advice would be to focus on studying rather than thinking about placement too much. As long as you study and get the fundamentals correct, the AlmaBetter team, the AlmaX team, will take care of the placement.